Madame, your entree is ready. Please enjoy. Madame, would you like a refill of...
Am done.
Our cat Joob is a very messy eater.
Hence why we have this sheet of acrylic to protect our walls.
While it does technically work,
it is also very ugly.
So we thought we would build a custom feeding station that can protect the walls, but also look cute. But first, this portion of the video is sponsored by PetSmart. We love Joob and would do anything for her. And PetSmart gets that. They also understand that getting a new pet can be overwhelming. When I first adopted Joob, I had just moved into a new apartment and literally my only piece of furniture was a bed. But I didn't care. Adopting her was stress-free because PetSmart had food, carrier, toys, a litter box, everything I needed for her.
In addition to being a one-stop shop, they also offer services like adoption and grooming, as well as information like travel tips.
Can't stop in because you're busy with other things? You can get DoorDash delivery or curbside pickup.
Is for me.
Yes, for today's menu, served in a premium ceramic and bamboo bowl, we have Purina Beyond Natural Whitefish and Spinach with a topper of tuna and sea bream. A treat like no other made of natural ingredients.
Want.
Visit PetSmart or PetSmart.com today for the many anythings they have for your new cat.
She loves it.
Thanks, PetSmart, for sponsoring this portion of our video. Now back to the project.
Okay, so let's talk about the design we have in mind. The main requirements we needed were it had to frame an acrylic sheet because we wanted that to look built in, not just slapped against the wall, and we wanted to raise up her 3 food bowls and accommodate for a cat fountain. So we thought making it look kind of like a console table with 2 levels would be a good way to accomplish those things. Plus, then we have a top service that we can put plants or, you know, maybe more practical things, but for now, just plants on.
Yeah, and all of that was Katelyn's brain putting into work. I wouldn't have known where to start. And you made a really cool Photoshop mock-up.
That's what they've been seeing.
Oh.
I was editing that in.
Oh, okay, well, then it was my turn to step in and do some 3D modeling. I love your design, but I don't like the legs and how wobbly everything would be. Like just 2 attachment points at the top and just like 2 wobbly legs. I don't know, it was very aesthetic. So my main objective was to make it easier to build and to make it stronger. So I took out those 2 tiny legs, I extended the bottom shelf all the way and I added a little half circle cutout for the water fountain and try to figure out what the final dimensions should be. Originally, when I 3D modeled it, it was way too thin, way too tall, and so I just did my nerd typing, and then I came up with this.
And you added a logo, I see, for me to make. I guess I'll be doing that?
Oh yeah, I have full faith in your abilities.
Okay.
All right, it's been a while since we did any woodworking.
I know.
Do you remember how to do it?
I think it's just something like this.
Ooh, wow.
Whoa, Woodworking 2.0 launched already? Wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. I wonder if gluing has been patched yet. No.
We gotta do it the old-fashioned way. Alrighty, the legs are ready for painting. And I think we should get the supervisor's opinion on what color to do.
It is for her.
It is for her. Or you can even start filming now and it'll be a blooper.
I am filming now. Oh my gosh! She went to the pink first.
I didn't even have to cheat. Should we still do the scene?
No, I think she chose. We were totally gonna bribe her.
No, we weren't.
No, we weren't. She obviously likes the pink that we included in our mock-up, right?
Am done.
She's like, let me add it.
I don't fully know why, but these are so satisfying to me.
What nice rectangles we have.
Wow. So legs are done. Now we need to start working on the shelves, and we wanted shelves just as thick as our legs. So we took 2 standard 1x8 pieces of wood and we glued them together to get these nice chunks.
Nice chunks.
Now, before we assemble the shelves to the legs, we have to do the next part, which is cutting holes for the bowls. And we bought a new hole saw to do that. It's massive.
I'm scared.
I'm also scared.
Somewhat legit scared. We're not gonna use our standard drill for this. We're gonna use the big boy drill. And I'm gonna use all of the little safety tricks that I know. But before we drill into this expensive, nice glued up piece of wood, we should do a test.
Yeah.
Let's move this nice one out of the way. First off, a hole saw this big might make your material jump. So let's use 2 clamps. Also, I'm gonna do a little tricky trick. When the little drill bit tip, the centering tip, goes through the wood, the hole saw always drops down like really quick.
Yeah, and it's jarring.
And it's really jarring. I'm gonna take this out, pre-drill through, and then I can set it down in place. Another tip I'm gonna try out. I know that you can run a hole saw backwards, and that somewhat reduces the tear out. You get a nice, clean start of a cut.
I know that if you guys haven't seen us use I almost said a hosel. A hole saw before, or if you've not tried one yourself, you don't necessarily know how amazing this is, but.
This is great. All right, ready? I'm gonna do a little bit more backwards, and then I'll go forwards.
Okay.
Now let's go forwards. Now another thing I'm gonna try doing.
We flipping?
Flipping.
We flipping.
Flip it, dip it, reverse it.
Slap it. So backwards again?
Backwards again. Oh yeah.
Woo!
Oh, guys.
That's the best hole we've ever made. Good job.
Thank you.
Best hole.
Now, the real board is gonna be twice as thick, which will be interesting.
I'm ready.
I'm just gonna speed through this next part because drilling through the double thick wood was loud, time consuming, and tiring. Mostly for Evan. I was just there for encouragement. And then this happened. We overheated the drill. That's crazy.
Let's move to the baby drill and finish it with this. I mean, this is still a really nice drill.
And it's not hot to the touch.
Yeah,
so.
it's not burning.
Come on, baby drill! Oh no, baby drill!
Just having a hard time. Put the big battery on baby drill. Let's see what happens.
Oh God. What's that noise outside? We set off some sort of fire alarm in the house, I think. I think it might be from the smoke that the wood created, but it wasn't a lot of smoke. Well, that was exciting.
Ow. I'm so glad that I had hearing protection.
I know. We've not yet set off the fire alarm in this house. That's the only thing I can think that it is like there
must
wood
be
smoke.
Oh boy.
And it was not very much smoke.
It was not very much smoke.
We've done way worse. I mean, hopefully that's what caused it. Should we look for a fire? Well, we didn't find a fire, so I guess we can keep woodworking.
You know, just some standard 9:30 at night, relaxing woodworking.
Oh, it's 10:30. That clock is wrong.
Oh, 10:30.
Just some standard 10:30 at night, relaxing woodworking.
I want to get this done.
Now we have to.
Now we have to.
I'm determined. No, it just started going again. What are you?
Oh, Jesus. Ow, 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 ow. Excuse me.
Do you think we're in the clear to finally finish this hole?
Let's just like really quickly do it.
Really quickly do the hole. Okay.
Yeah.
Yay!
We were so
Yay!
close the whole time. Yay! We did it! Alright, let's really quickly cut out the curve shape for Joob's water fountain. And we'll clean up all of the sawdust later.
Jigsaw time, baby! It's getting smoky and that makes me nervous. I don't want to set off the alarm again.
Do I replace the blade? Maybe this blade is too fine?
No, it seems like it's doing fine. I think it's just thick wood, so it's a lot more friction than we normally cut, you know?
Let me switch out the blade to like a coarser blade.
Friction is our enemy. The friction will pay. Friction betrayed us. We're beefing with friction.
Right, a nice, fresh, cool blade.
You okay?
Hello? Is this thicker?
It might be thicker. It might be thicker.
No! I wanna be done. No! Give me my blade back!
What if we put the other blade in the freezer? And we cool it with freezer. Is that a good idea?
And I'll go slower.
Yeah! Woo!
Oh. I like the look of thick boards, but there's probably a reason why all boards are like 1 inch nominal, actually 0.75 inches thick. Because working these big boys is definitely a little bit more tricky, and I was definitely using two high tooth blade. Two high
tooth blade?
Yeah, the blade had too many teeth. 2 high tooth.
Blade.
Wood working at 11 at night.
Okay, but hey, the good news is these 2 shelf pieces, all they need now is a coat of finish. We'll finish those, we'll finish the leg pieces, then we get to assemble it.
Thought we were done.
The alarm is going off again. So this is our night. This is our whole evening. Wow, so shiny and wipeable now that they're finished.
Yeah, I mean, it'd probably defeat the purpose if we make a wooden thing that just absorbs water and it gets destroyed.
But now it's time to assemble these. And you know, normally the easiest way to do this would be just screw through the outside of the leg into the edge of the shelf, but that's ugly. But Evan found these.
Yeah, it just adds a washer to the screw that has threads in it that lets you add this decorative cap. So I think it's pretty. I don't know how to transition into this next scene. I think we're screwed. I don't want to react too much, but I am sold forever on all future projects.
Yeah, these little screws are so freaking cute. Like,
you can't see them, but you saw them in the scene before.
Okay, but we're not done yet. Now we have to do, honestly, like the thing that started it all. We're gonna add the acrylic sheet, and I did come up with a logo.
And it is really awesome.
You probably can't see it. It's on this sheet. We'll do the last few steps, and then we'll see if Joob approves of her feeding station.
Please.
Please.
Please. And one final touch. Ta-da!
Oh my
Look
gosh.
at that.
I
Wow.
know. It's so cute. It's so nice. It's so cute.
We needed to add this light at the last moment because the Joob Cafe is open 24/7.
Exactly.
Well, I am absolutely in love with the aesthetics. Again, I feel like it's one of the cutest things we've ever made. Wonder how long it's gonna stay looking this clean and nice.
The whole point is that it can get messy. I think it's so cute. The gold, the pink, the light edition.
And you guys are looking at it from really down low. It's gonna look
Oh yeah, you won't, that makes me nervous.
more like this, you know?
You won't see the light.
You won't see the light.
Normally.
Yeah. Man, good choice with the frosted
Thank
logo.
you. I love it. But will Jooby like it? Well, she's already excited because I have wet food.
Hey Jooby, welcome to Jooby Cafe! Inaugural meal.
Yeah. Here you go. Isn't it appetizing?
And look at how neat and tidy this is.
What do you think of that? It's a little bit different, huh? You going for the dry food? Who are you? Oh no, she's going for the wet food. She's eating it. She doesn't seem bothered by the new setup.
Jooby, how much are you gonna splash?
Probably the same amount, but you know, she has a wider screen of protection and it looks better now, objectively.
And Jooby, what's that you're saying? You want everyone to subscribe to our channel so you can get more ridiculously elaborate creations that we make for you? That's a good idea.
That's a great idea. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'm glad Jooby likes it, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. All right, let me do another one. That wasn't great. Alrighty. How do you feel like a good? Okay. Alrighty. Sorry, I didn't know what I was gonna say after that.